I don't know what to do now. All right, I'm live. I just wanted to confirm that I was. I have not a problem. It's not really a problem. But it could be a problem if I wanted it to be a problem. Anyway, let's jump right into it, folks. I created this PR, or like the draft of a PR, because I wanted to see what in the world have I been doing lately, because I didn't stream last week because it was like TDX and everything, and I just didn't feel in the right mindset. I also didn't stream in MuleSoft community all last week, so I thought like it would be nice to take a little break. So that's why I didn't stream last week, but we are back. Since I haven't done Battlesnake in 2 weeks, I kind of forgot what I was doing, but I have a idea. I didn't stream all of my code with you last time because I woke up in the middle of the night thinking like I have the answer to make my Battlesnake better, so I might just do it. So I came and I started coding at midnight because I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I guess I lost control of my life. So there are a bunch of things that I am going to explain because I also have to go through all of these changes because I forgot what I did. So let's do this together. I don't know if I had... Hey, Jerry. How are you? Thank you for coming. I don't know if I had already explained before about the GitHub workflows. Right now, I am on my dev pull request. No, my dev branch. But in my main branch, I have workflows already in place, so I can just sign in. No, sorry. So I can just send everything. I haven't had coffee today. So you can just like, I can just push everything to the main branch and it will automatically like update for me. So Maxine the mule is always on the last version. Then local Maxine is gonna be using whatever is on dev. Basically, that's it. I don't think... No, Maxine is not automatically being deployed, as far as I remember. Oh, I cannot check? Oh, well, whatever. Doesn't matter. So anyway. Oh, yeah, because I need a different thing. So on my Maxine the Mule Battlesnake, which is the one that is on CloudHub, I am using an enterprise account now. So I kind of had to use connected app for the CI/CD pipelines. So that's gonna look a little bit different. I will do a tutorial about what I did eventually. Not yet. And also, if you haven't been checking my ProsDev channel talking about CI/CD, I am on part 3 of my CI/CD pipeline tutorials. So this is the first one if you want to just start from the beginning. This is the basic one. The second one will explain... Love ProsDev. Thank you, Jerry. The second one will explain about doing decryption of properties. The third one is explaining how to incorporate munit testing into your CI/CD pipelines. The fourth one is going to be about munit coverage. So you can always have like, I don't know, 90% or whatever percentage you want on your coverage. And so on. So eventually I will get to the part where I explain how to do connected app. This is especially useful when you are using MFA for any point platform. like with your phone, with your application or whatever. So that's gonna be interesting because I noticed that corporations now are kind of asking for everyone to have MFA. So it's a whole different configuration than this one. This is just using Anypoint Platform username and password credentials, so it's super different. And you can also go here and see the latest videos. I already have 3 videos on the CI/CD pipelines, and I intend to continue doing videos about that as well. You can also subscribe here, go to the YouTube channel, and that's it. That's my small commercial. Anyway, I have the CI/CD pipelines for that. I am also changing the POM to reflect the version of my snake, because I think that's important. I was on version 3.0.030, but this is going to be like a whole different thing. So now I'm putting 2.0.0. This is for CI/CD. I incorporated a new environment property, so I can have local Maxine being black and Maxine the mule being purple. So I can like differentiate between them if I put them like on the same board. What else did I do? Oh, I moved the stuff, the global things. Let me show you. Where is my studio? Here. Why is this red? Oh well. I moved from the Battlesnake API all of the global configuration elements. I moved them to a new global file because, I mean, that's what you're supposed to be doing here. Now you have them all here, and I have the global property environment. In this case, it's gonna be local. I created, well, I'm gonna continue with that. Going back here. So anyway, I moved all the global configurations from the Battlesnake API.xml into the global.xml. I renamed the default application.yaml to dev.settings.yaml because now I wanted to have 2 different properties. So now I have the dev settings YAML and local settings YAML. So dev it's the same. I think it's the same. The only thing that changes, yeah, is the color. So in local, I will be able to have the black muley, the black snake. And in dev or in Cloud Hub, it will be just a regular purple. What else? I created a common module in DataWeave that I'm also using here, by the way. So I have it here. Whenever I'm like modifying the code in VS Code, I already have here my common module, and I basically just copied and pasted this common module into here. So inside source main resources, DW, I have here the common module. And it's the same thing. It contains a few types, a few functions. There is a mosquito. I don't know what that is. Anyway. Some functions that are reused in the other functions. So I thought that this would just make things a little bit simpler. And background, if you don't know why I'm changing all of this, I decided that I wanted to redo the whole code to make it better and to work differently. And now it kind of works with a score system that is it's not working as I thought it would. I mean, I do have M units and the M units are passing as they should, but my scores, like in the leaderboard, are so different. Like right now I am at 55 rank in standard, and I used to be 30 at some point. I don't know why it fluctuates so much from 30 to 55. And I will review the games to see what is happening here, because look at this. Like, this has been so weird. It's not consistent at all. So I will have to check what I did wrong there. Oh wait, I'm not using... Am I using this? No, I think I'm not using this. Oh, I'm so confused. Like I haven't seen this in so long. Oh well, never mind then. Anyway, well, I don't know why Maxine is fluctuating that much then. I don't know. Well, I have the common module, and then I changed a lot of the normal DataWeave. So I moved all of the types and a lot of variables. I am importing the common thing. Is that all against computer or real players? It's real players. Like all of these snakes are snakes created by other people. So here you can see, for example, this is a game, and I don't know if you would call it real time because you just have your API there, right? And for example, the standard leaderboard runs every day at 8 p.m. Eastern. So in 6 hours from now, the games are gonna start. And that's basically how it works. So it just automatically takes a different snakes and starts like battling each other like this. And whoever wins will get some points, and depending on the points is a leaderboard here. So right now I said I was at 55, right? Yeah, I'm at 55 over here. Where in the world is Manic? Over there, like 38. I beat him at some point. I was 30 at some point. I don't know why I'm fluctuating so much. But anyway, yeah, like you create your snake, you put it there. Here's Maxine the Mule. And then the games will happen every day. And depending on what happens on each game is your points. So for example, if I click on review recent games, I can see that I was eliminated here. And if I click on replay game, I will be able to see what happened. So here's Maxine. That's awesome. And I ended up in second place. So I'm like someone else is gonna die, but then I'm gonna die. Eventually. Oh, wow. No, thank you. So yeah, that person died, and then I'm there, and now I just have to see how I died so I can make this better somehow. Eventually I will die. So this is awesome. So the goal is to feed before timeout. Yes and no. Ah, there it is. That's how I died. Well, that sucks. So look, let me create a new game. Let me put Maxine, and some bots, and then start game. So let's play this. Look, first of all, that guy died because it moved outside of the board. So they're like, he just died there. And then let's continue. Oh, this guy died because he clashed with my body. So here I am minding my own business, and then this guy comes and just like bam. So that you also die if you do that. And if you keep eating stuff, your health won't run out, and also you will start having a bigger body. So for example, here you can see that this bar is the health that you have. So you have to keep eating, otherwise you die. Like the loopy bot always stays there in a like corner or something. So it's eventually going to die because it's not eating. But then the scared bot is eating, but it's kind of getting away from me. And now I have 7 in length. So if you count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Scarebot has 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can also see it here. So if we clash, like if we collide head to head, I will be able to eat Scarebot, and Scarebot is going to die. But if we both have the same length, then we both die. Those are the rules. Basically, whoever survives the most will win. So now LoopyBot is about to die because it's not eating. Yeah, you can see here, like the health is about to go down and died. And then you can see here how it died. Oh, where is LoopyBot? Oh, actually, ScaredBot killed LoopyBot. Yeah, they collided head to head right here. And because ScaredBot is bigger than LoopyBot, well, like, he died. So let's continue. I can still die. Okay. It went outside of bounds, outside of the board, so it died. That's basically how it works. Like, you just keep doing stuff. And then if we check the leaderboards, for example, you have to make your snake smart, because sometimes there are people that try to get you or stuff like that. So let's see this random one. Okay, so see, someone died here because head-to-head collision. Oh no, moved out of bounds. So this person actually went outside of the board, so died. And then this is a head-to-head collision. So you have to make your snake smart to make sure that it doesn't collide head-to-head if it's going to lose and it tries to go to the other way. So here, since Snake 2 was 4 and TT Snake was 7, TT Snake wins. And then if it continues, TT Snake keeps eating. Thanks for the quick intro. You can create... what? Commands? Oh, that tell this info quick for the followers. Building that in MuleSoft as well. That'll also be fun to watch. Ah, I have never done those commands here in Twitch, but yeah, for sure, I can try. And building that in MuleSoft as well. That'll also be fun to watch. You mean like, do you want me to show you how to create these from scratch? Because there's a started project. And I have been doing a lot of live streams doing this from scratch. If you want to do that, or I can also give you like a quick intro, or you mean to put that in the command? I'm not sure what you mean, but yeah, like all suggestions are welcome. Just let me know what you need. Let's see what happens here. Oh my god. Okay, so this person ran out of places to go, so it just like went out of the board and died. So Jared is the winner in this one. And so on, that's how it works. But anyway, this version of Maxine is not good. I mean, it is good because I've been like, I did reach 30, like position 30 at some point, but now I'm so low. So I will need to keep working on my snake. Anyway, well, I did a bunch of changes to my DataWeave code. And then what else did I do? I created the local settings. I created some more units because I've been creating units just to make sure that the scenarios that I've been doing in the past, they keep like happening as they should. I think I have, yeah, I'm keeping some of the images because I keep forgetting. Can I make it smaller? I can't. Oh well, I keep forgetting like where my snake was. So for example here, oh, this was local Maxine because I made it white at some point. It could go like up or down, but if it went up, which it did, it would die immediately. So I needed it to go down, so I created this like scenario in the unit to be able to check and validate that it's going where I want it to go. So I'm basically just setting up events here and just reading the JSON from the scenario that I created or that I had. And then in the validation, I'm just checking that it's actually moving left or right or up or down or whatever it needs to be moving. So yeah, all my M units are passing right now with the new code, which is good. And these, not all of these are passing with the current version of Maxine the Mule that I have in my main branch, which is the one that I have right here. So I think I'm ready to send this version of Maxine into Cloud Hub, but I want to just make sure here there are some more images that I put. I just want to make sure that this is what I want to do, I guess. Oh, these are the tests. All of this is the test thing. Yeah. Cool that you write units for these. Yeah. I like to do unit testing. It's important. Also regression testing. And these are kind of both, because they're unit testing, obviously, because I'm just checking the DataWeave code. I'm not checking anything else. But also, they're kind of regression because they are based on past scenarios that failed. So I put them here to make sure that these scenarios never fail again. So that's why I'm creating the M units. Okay, I think I got a very good impression of all the changes that I did now. I forgot all of them, so that's cool. All right, so I don't even know which one this is that I have here. This is turn 17. I don't know which one this is. But anyway, I remember that oh yeah. These are just comments that I put to myself so I wouldn't forget what to do. Oh, here it is. Turn 15. Oh no, this is turn 17. I don't know which one it is. So let's just start from the beginning. What's this? Yeah. Okay. 1 or 0. 1 or 0 what? What returns, I guess. Okay. Anyway. What I wanted to check were the scores, the actual scores. Because this new code is basically based on the scores that it gets. You know what? Let me take another scenario because I don't even remember what scenario that was. Let's check recent games. Oh, and I also wanted to personalize like the code that it would do depending on, if it's possible, depending on the, where is it? The kind of game that I'm doing, because I only have standard or dual. I'm not ready for royal or constrictor yet. So in the standard, as you saw, there are 4 snakes and they are all like battling each other to see who wins. But in the duels, there are only 2 snakes. Like it's just one-on-one battling, I guess. So I kind of want to make different code depending on the scenario that I'm in. Because if I know that this is the scenario, then I know that there's only one other snake in the board aside from me. So maybe I can make things easier to do. Because I will not, I just have one head that I have to collide with if I can. And in the other one I have 3 different heads. So that's what I was trying to do too. Where am I here? 45, damn, I'm so low. I swear I was way up. I don't know what happened. Did I time out? No, I haven't timed out. I just got eliminated. Well, I've been ending up in 1st and 2nd, but if we collide, then when we're small, we die, right? Yeah. Yeah, only if you are big. Well, I've been ending up in, oh, because there are only 2. Oh my god. I've only been ending up in first and second because there are only first and seconds. Never mind. And yes, I have the code to make up for that. Oh, I was gonna search for, sorry, ADHD. I have to search for a game. Or you know what, let me just create a new game. Or is that too easy? No, let's take one from the leaderboards. So from the standard, let's see recent games. Let's see one that I lost. In 4th place. Let's see this one. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. I think I made this cut better for the new Maxine. Yeah, I think so. Because right now, Maxine went in this scenario. This is the head, by the way. I know it looks weird, but this is the head. In this scenario, because it's a past code, Maxine is only interested in not colliding with heads, but also in searching for food. And because there was, like, she had 2 options to either go up or down. And if she went down, she at least would have food. And if she went up, like, there would be a head. And both of them are bigger than me, so I would try to avoid them both, but I had a possibility to collide with both anyway, so I might as well get the food. That was the previous Maxine's thinking, but the new Maxine is like, okay, if there's food here, it's more probable that this guy is going to go for this food, so I should get away from the food. I should go this way. I believe so. I would die either way because both of them went this way, but I don't remember how it was handling that. Maybe I can take a look. Let me open Studio. No, sorry, platform. Martinez Mule. And what was my dear password? Ah, no. What did I do? Okay. And then let's check the authenticator. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Okay. Let's go to Runtime Manager. Hopefully the logs are still there. Sandbox. So let's take the ID of this game. Let's search for it, and this is turn 34. Settings, no, logs. Okay, and now, do you have to migrate this once the trial is over? I'm not using a trial right now. I'm using my enterprise account, but yes, when I was using trial accounts, I would just change the credentials, so it would do the, because I already had the CI/CD pipelines. So I just had to change the credentials. So instead of going to one trial account, it will go to another trial account. But yes, you can just keep doing that. And it's just like, you just have to change the credentials. I don't know if you're familiar with CI/CD. Let me show you what I mean. And also because I was not using MFA in my, what do you call them? The trial account. So here, if you go to settings and download secrets and variables actions, here I have like my repository secrets. In this case, I have to use connected app because as you saw, I'm using MFA. But if you're not using MFA, you can just use like endpoint platform password and username. And again, all of the steps are in ProsDev if you want to check that out and do it for yourself. So the only thing that you have to do if you're using trial accounts is you just have to come here, click on update, and update your username and your password, and that's it. You just run the action and it will send all of this stuff to Cloud Hub automatically. There's nothing else that you need to change, with the exception of if you are using the same name of your Mule application. So in this case, this is A Martinez Mule Battlesnake. If, for example, your previous trial account hasn't expired and you still have this application running, then you need to change the name for the second trial account so you don't have the same name on both. Otherwise, you can just come to the previous trial account and take down the application from Runtime Manager, and then it will go to the new account, and that's it. But yeah, it's not that hard, to be honest, but I'm lazy, so I just requested my enterprise account. But yes, there's that. So I have this game, turn 34, so let's search for 34. Where? No. Turn 34. Why are you not taking me to where it is? Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is a thing. Turn 34. Yes. This is the JSON that is using this thing. So now let me put it here in the payload. For my document. Okay. So we're on turn 34. Let me enable our preview. All right, so this is the debug. This is just for me to see like the scoring system that I have. And then I am telling it to move down. Oh, well, it's still going down. That's fine. Okay, let me check another scenario then. Oh shoot, I already have it here. Okay, let's see one where I lost a lot of points. So if you see here the column true skill, these are the points that are giving you your place in the leaderboard. And I lost a lot there. 41. Let's try this one, 44. And I ended up in 4th, so I'm the first one to die. See how she didn't go for the food before? Well. Oh well, she didn't have another option. Oh. Well, yeah, why would you go up, Maxine? Oh, because she's trying not to bump into this guy. Oh, but that, like, you have no... Like, stuff like this is stuff that I need to verify that I'm not doing. So, okay, let's look into that one then. Let's get the thing. I can close this now. Back, and now let's search for this game, and this is the turn 120. I'm so used to endpoint monitoring, it would be a nightmare for me to work without it. I know, right? The only thing that I don't like from this, maybe I'm not using it right, I don't know, but you see how I'm looking for the ID of the game? And after I get the idea of the game, I'm like manually using the search from Chrome to search for the turn that I need. I have tried several ways to do this in the search, but like to do like contains this ID and contains this turn. But I haven't been able to do so yet. I don't know if it's just me that I'm doing something wrong, or it's just not possible. But it's just weird that it's not possible because it's such a easy thing to do. Like Splunk has it. Why don't we have it? Or maybe that's why a lot of people prefer to use Splunk. I don't know. Still nothing? Oh. Okay. It is there somewhere. There. Can I... Okay. Copy this thing. Oh no! Okay. Copy this thing. You know what? Maybe I should... Can I add it in the timestamp? Because I haven't modified the logs. Because I just used whatever Manic put there. Because Manic created the base thing. So maybe move... What is he logging here? Move game and then payload game ID. Yeah, maybe I should just add it. Oh, why didn't I think of that before? So this is his logger and game. And then move game here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add that there. So move game, and then this is what? Oh, let me put it in the playground really quick. DataWeave.mulesoft.com playground. Okay, so he's doing payload.game.id. Oops. And I need payload.game. Oh, the turn actually, right? Yeah, payload.turn. Okay, let's just do that so I can make this better. So let's put it in the logs. Is that... Yeah, okay. Move game. And then let me zoom in here a little bit so you all can see. And then move game, that, turn. There. So now we have move game and then the ID of the game and then turn and the number of turn. That way I will be able to just search for that. Sweet. Save. And you know what? I think I'm just gonna send this version to Maxine because it's pretty stable. I just want to fix some stuff like these, but they are smarter choices, that's all. So anyway, did I put this thing here? No, not yet. Didn't know that we could put payloads inside that. I thought only properties. Learned something new today. It's different. It's not the same. Wait. So properties, you do this, right? Let me zoom in. It's like curly brackets. And with strings, you do this. Yeah, these are parentheses, not curly brackets. So it's not the same, but yeah, you can do that too. Not just for properties, you can do variables, you can do like, this is better for concatenation. So you put everything inside the quotes, and then you can do something like this. And here is where you put references to whatever. So like vars dot blah blah blah, or a variable or a function or properties. No, properties is this one. But yeah, you can put stuff inside here. So like saying test blah blah, and then here you put your reference and it will like concatenate. Yeah, exactly. So much easier to look at, understand the string, that concatenation. Yeah, and I actually have a blog post about that. Where do I have it? Concatenation DataWeave. There. Both are mine, but I prefer this one. Yeah, let me put it in the chat. Oh, what did I do? No. Oh, well, here. Yeah, okay. There, I sent it. So yeah, you can check there, like you can use the plus plus function, or you can use the other thing to concatenate the strings. There you can see how you can use it. You can also use object destructor to concatenate objects, which is also using like curly brackets and parentheses. So there are some tips there. You can check it out. All right. Oh, I keep forgetting what I'm about to do. This, right? This is the one that I wanted. Should turn. Oh, this is the one that I wanted. No. Why are you not scrolling automatically for me? Oh no, where are you? I lost it. Let's just do turn. 1, 19, 20. There you go. Sorry, I'm taking you on different tracks today. No worries. I also do that all the time. Okay. And it was 120, 120. Yeah, okay. Format. Okay. Now we're on 120. Yes. Okay. So it's moving up. Yeah, but I don't want it to move up. Because if I move up, I'm gonna die anyway. Or maybe not. Like, there's a small chance that I wouldn't die if, like, Doomsnake didn't go this way. If Doomsnake went this way, then I would be able to just, like, go here, and then my tail would go this way, and I would go up. Wait. There is a tool. Where... Is it in my GitHub stars? Battlesnake, yeah, it's there. Because I'm super visual, and yeah, there you go. Okay. So let me take the JSON. Board here, upload. Okay. So this is basically the same thing that we have here, right? Yes. So if this person went this way, then I would be able to go up, and then I would be able to go here, and my tail would not be in the way anymore. So I would be able to go up and get away with it. So I kind of understand what Maxine was thinking, because I kind of told her, hey, if there's food, like, if there's food closer to another snake, it's more probable that this snake is gonna go there. So I was kind of expecting Doomsnake to go for the food, but it didn't, because it's probably smarter. So Maxine is like, yeah, cool, there, like, I can just go up and I will be able to get out of here. So, oh man, Maxine, you're so smart, but you also take bad decisions. But that's fine. No, I'm not gonna check that. It was totally fine. Let's check. This one. Oh, 51. Oh. How did that happen? Why? Oh, because I have hats all over. Like, if I go here, I can collide with this guy. If I go here, I can collide here. If I go here, I could collide here. And no one actually went this way but this. Ah. And again, because this person has this food and this person has this food, I just assumed this person wouldn't go for me. Oh. I need to take better decisions, but I don't know how. Let's see this one. Oops. Well, I didn't have any other option. Had to go down. Ah, they're killing me. Kind of literally. Well, not me, but Maxine. They're killing Maxine. Ah! That was also very hard to predict, to be honest. Oh my god. I don't know how to improve any of these. I'm not using machine learning. I'm not using like fancy algorithms. I'm just trying my best. Okay, I ate someone, so that's cool. Because I knew that that person was smaller than me and I just went for it. I'm ruthless that way. Ah. Well, I think this scenario, the new Maxine would be able to figure out and wouldn't go for the food if it's gonna collide with another snake. I'm almost sure that this scenario is better with the new Maxine. Let's try it. So this and then turn. Which one was? 95. $95, $95. $95. Why are you not showing me the turns anymore? 95, 75. Can we use ML with Mule? Do we have any framework for that? I have no idea. It would be so cool, but I don't know. 95? 95. This one. But I still have some other things to do to make Maxine better, so I'm not looking into that yet. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Why are you making my life miserable? 95. Okay. The new logger should make this all better, because this is just criminal. Okay, so as soon as I save, I will be able to see. So Maxine went down in this version. But I would expect her to go left. Yeah, I would expect her to go left, because on the left, there's no head around me. So I would expect her to go left. Would you go left? Will you go left? Oh, you went down. Damn it. Why did you go down? Let's see. You can go up and down and left. You have the... Wait, the score for the right was more. Click on the event ID first. It would load that event, then you can copy that. Yeah, but it was taking so long. Anyway, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna fix it with the new logger that I modified. So this is what I mean when I say that I need to modify, like I need to make my scores better. Because right now how this is working is that it's basing on a score. So here, this is the debug part. So we end up with 4 different moves, right? We have up, down, left, right. And then what I did is that each move has its own score, depending on several things like food, or if they're bored, or if there are like snakes nearby or stuff like that. I cannot go up. This is like minus 400, because if I go up, I collide with myself. So up is out of the question. We end up with down, left, and right. Now down and left had 13 in score. Down and left. So it was like good to go any of those ways. But then right, I had 20 in score, which is what I would expect her to do, to go right. But the thing is that after taking a look at the scores, I created some code to prioritize the future moves that you can do in the game. So if you take a look at the future moves, like basically how many moves will you have left if you move to any of the other directions? If I go down, I would have 272 moves. If I go left, I would have 29, and if I go right, I would have 137. So, because of the future moves, she prioritized to go down instead of left or right, but in this case, I needed her to go right. So, how can I make this better? I think that the key is here. I am kind of adding the score system here, like in variables, so it's easier for me. So the food score is just adding more stuff. It's not removing stuff. Future score. Okay, the positive, the negative is a negative score. What was a negative score? Oh, shoot. Okay, where am I using this future score? Let me take this out. Okay, so if need to filter further and future moves is less than average move. Oh, I remember why I did that. Oh my, no, damn it. I remember why I did that. You know what? I'm just gonna send this version of Maxine into the cloud and see how it does. And then depending on how she does on that, I will come back and modify. Because right now, I just have everything the same way. So let me just double check that I have the same code. Here. Save. Okay, did I change anything? Change the logger and oh, yeah, that's fine. And remove the things. Okay, that's fine. I assume I didn't change anything in the common, but I will check. Come on. And there was something that I shouldn't be changing. Oh yeah, that. Okay. Yeah, so no, this is fine. Discard. And the rest are fine. My Battlesnake scenarios are working. I didn't really change the code, so the scenarios in units should still be working. Do I have? Am I checking? Wait. Mule, Battlesnake. Workflows, build. Oh yeah, I'm checking the IM units before deploying. Okay, cool. So, alright. I guess we're gonna merge this pull request. Oh, first I'm gonna send the new changes. No, not here. Here. So I changed that and this. Okay. Added turn to log. Commit to dev. Push. Sweet. So now I can... where was my pull request? Did I close it? GitHub. Why did I close it? Mule Battlesnake. Pull request. Deb. Okay. And I just want to double check that the last one is there. Oh, it's not there? Oh yeah, other turn to log. Okay. And then it should also be in the file changes. Here is the logger. Okay. Let's do this. How do I... how do I stop it from being a draft and to actually be a pull request? Label projects, assign, what? How do I make you a pull request? Ready for review. Oh, and it has conflicts. Okay, let's use the web editor. Oh, the POM. Yeah, this is going to be version 2. This is not version 1. Is that it? Yeah, looks like... Okay. Oh, I have 2 versions. Sorry. Okay, version 1. Version 2. There you go. Mark as resolved. Commit change. Okay. And let me fetch this. Cool. Okay, sweet. And now we can merge. Oh. Why are you checking that? Cancel. I don't want you to do the tests here. Is that because of my workflow? I think that's because of my workflow. Anyway. Okay, cancelled. You know what? Let me change it now that I'm realizing about it. It's not here. Why is it not here? Ah, okay. Hold on, I have Sublime. Let me do that super quick. Build that YAML, pull requests, remove, save. Okay, so now it should appear here. Yeah, okay, so I basically removed this. Hopefully that stops doing it in the pull requests. Okay, sent it. Okay, yeah, that was a thing. Okay, sounds good. Merge, pull request. Yeah. Okay, let's put this version 2. Confirm. Oof. All right, I don't want to delete that because I will still use the dev branch here. But okay, it's out there now. It's merging. And that reminds me that I wanted to add... I kind of want to change all of the README, but that's gonna happen later. While that happens, because it's gonna take a while, I am going to add a batch. Copy branch, default branch, event, default, build and deploy to sandbox. Okay, copy. And I'm gonna put it here in studio and I will just add it later. No, not the POM. The README. Why did you open there? Open with. Can we use commit hash instead of version numbering in application name? Something to keep track of what is a change in which jar. It actually does that. Text. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it actually does that. So if I go here, you can see there's a hash right there in the jar. So it has the name, the version, and the hash as well. It's also in my tutorials. Okay, now leave me alone. And I'm gonna put the batch here. Okay, save, but I'm not gonna send that right now. I will send it later because I don't want to like send the whole thing again. That's amazing. We need this in our projects. Another new thing I learned today. Yeah. So while this happens, because it's gonna really take a while, I can show you that. Maybe not in studio. Studio is gonna be awful. Where is it? Code. In my workflows, build.yaml. So here I have the test job first. Let me zoom in. There. I have the test job first, which is what it's doing right now. It's testing the units to make sure that they pass. And you do need a Nexus Enterprise account. So if you don't have it, you cannot do this in CI/CD. Then it's doing the build. Oh, wait. No, I hate this. Well, anyway. Then it's doing the build. And here in the build, there's a step that says stamp artifact file name with commit hash. So it's taking the artifact name, the jar that I created, and then it's taking the commit hash. Then it's creating the artifact name number 2 that has the commit hash. And then it's just renaming artifact 1 with artifact 2. And then it's just like uploading that new artifact. So once it deploys in this job, it's basically just taking that and sending it just as it is. So here it's just doing ls jar, just taking whatever is there. So yeah, the renaming is being done here in stamp artifact file name with commit hash. Okay, the test passed. Let's now see the build. No. Okay. So the build normally takes like 30 seconds. It's not hard. The hard thing is the deploy. Anything can happen in the deploy. So let me go here and watch the logs. You see when this is done. I should also put this in my README because I keep forgetting. Open with system. No, not system. Well, anyway. Full tool to check other scenarios. Okay. Battlesnake board generator. Save. Okay. Should I change the README now? I'm just gonna... Oh, it took 55 seconds. It took longer. That's fine. So it should be deploying now. Yep, it's deploying now. Sweet. And it's still gonna take a while. So yeah, might as well change the README now. A simple Battlesnake written in Mule and DataWeave. Cool tool to check our scenarios. It's a basic implementation. It's a great starting point. I'm just gonna reference people to Manic's project because I don't want to have that much stuff in my README. Manic, Magar. No, so this is no longer a basic implementation. So actually I'm gonna put it in the quick start to get started with your own DataWeave, well, Mule and DataWeave Battlesnake. Please refer to Manic's starter project or my article in ProsDev. Still going, still going. This one. Or this article. Sweet. I'm just gonna remove all of this because this no longer applies to me. Playing Battlesnake, joining Battlesnake League, resources. Yeah, just gonna remove all that. Simple Battlesnake, written Mule and DataWeave. Sweet. How? Oh, here. Yeah, that sounds good. Oh, I should also write about using DataWeave. Sorry, using my snake. About Maxine. No, about my Battlesnake. Yeah. Battlesnake. Are you done yet? Nope. About my Battlesnake. Maxine the Mule. Let's put this in bold. Maxine the Mule version 2.0.0 is based on a scoring system to take better decisions. And then I can also add how this looks like. For example, this is not JSON. No, this is JSON. JSON. Okay. is based on a scoring system to take better decisions. Well, she counts the scores for each move. Up, down, left, right. She counts the scores for each move depending on a series of criteria like food, other snakes, what else? I don't remember what else I do anyway. Like, oh, body, walls, yeah, okay. Walls, etc. I'm gonna put this here. And so on. Based on those scores, she takes a decision. Okay, good enough. And actually, I'm gonna put this version 2. You can battle Maxine by using her from the public snakes. And snake emoji. Oh no, I cannot. Why I cannot add a snake emoji? Anyway, good enough. Watch my Battlesnake live streams on Twitch or YouTube. And now, oh, this is deployed, yay. Okay, so let's create a game because for some reason Maxine always forgets how to act right after she's been deployed. Yeah, there you go, you see, she timed out. That's fine, we're gonna do that again. And now I can see the turn, so that's awesome. It's taking too long. Okay, again. Blah, 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 blah. Start game. Alright, she's back. I wonder if I have more B cores. Settings. Yeah, let's change this. I think I can. Sweet, I won. Okay. Let's add 2 workers. And yeah, I think 1 V-core is fine. Yay! Yeah, let's just do that to see if that works. Oh no, it's gonna... Oh, I forgot. Oh, well. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, cool. Oh, it's just doing the second worker. Okay, fine. I don't think I should add more V cores. I think that's fine. But yeah, I think I have a lot of things here because I have the enterprise version. Like, I have all of the things available to me and I'm just using it for my Battlesnake. Oh, well, you are done, but I do want to see the README once that's done, so I'm gonna keep it open. And I want to try another game once this worker is running to see if it makes a difference. I don't think it will make a difference. I think it's just for reliability. But that's fine. If it doesn't make that much of a difference, maybe I can add some more vcores so this runs smoother. Because as you saw, like, it's kind of taking a while. So let me create a rematch to see. Yeah, you know how sometimes like it pauses for like less than a second? I think that's because my API is taking a little bit long to reply. That's fine. Still deploying the second worker. I am so proud that Maxine keeps winning. Not like me. Oh yeah, I was also gonna change the build because it looks weird. Oh, wait. Oh my god, focus. Twitch. The Alex Martinez, copy. Okay, so Twitch. Yes. Or YouTube. YouTube, ProsDev. Should I put the playlist? Yeah, maybe I should put the playlist. Battlesnake. Okay, playlist. Sweet. That looks good. And then the build. Oh, I don't have the build here. Ah, damn it. Oh, bit confused. Horizontal scaling here. I added more workers to see if it makes any difference at all. Let me... No, wait, not a rematch. Battlesnakes. No! Create game. And if not, I will just add vcores. Because the thing is that you saw how she was timing out. So, okay, she's not timing out now. I guess because it took the first worker, not the second one. Oh no, it did take the second one. That's cool. It's not timing out now. Well, it's going way smoother. I really appreciate that. Yeah, this is great. Okay, this is great. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Because I can. I mean, why not? Let's add more vcores. Now it's gonna redeploy both of them, but is she still available? Yeah, she is. Okay. So that's all I want to make sure, like, if something happens and if I'm redeploying, I don't want her to be timing out. And I just had one worker. And she's still winning. I appreciate that. And eventually I will have to work on the other ones. Okay, wait. I had a thing. Projects. Maxine the Mule Battlesnake. Yes, I did this. Sweet. Now I want to create special code. Oh, you cannot see that. Hold on. There. Create special code for duels. And add... What are the other two? Royale. No! Well, Royale and Constrictor. See, the Constrictor games are running right now. Royale and Constrictor. Add functionality for Royale. Add functionality for Constrictor. And create better scores? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Let me put this at top. Okay, so those are my next steps. Okay. Close this? No. Okay. I want to see the new README, right? And it's still going. Okay, so the 4 workers are up right now. What else did I wanted to? Oh yeah, the build that I didn't like how it looked. It's just that the steps have spaces, and I don't like that for some reason. But I was the one that did that, but I just don't like it anymore. Okay, deploy. I'm gonna show you in a bit what I'm doing. Okay. Looks good. Save. No, here. Okay. So I basically just removed the spaces because I didn't like them. And I changed the README, which is fine. Okay, and I guess that's it. Updated README. I can commit directly to main. That's alright. Bring my changes to main. Commit to main, and then I kind of wanted to wait for this because it's gonna redeploy. That's all right. Let's just do it. Push. Okay, so let's see the new version. Sweet. I kind of want to change this. Damn it. Hold on. Let's just cancel the actions, cause cancel. Cause it's fine. Like I didn't change anything major. It's just a README. About my Battlesnake, Maxine, the Mule version 2. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks better. Actions, cancel again. And you are done. Okay, create game, Maxine, and all the official bots. She's still timing out. Oh, she's not timing out on the first try. Yay. Okay, that's all that I wanted. Or I think she is. Yeah, she is timing out a little bit, but it's fine. She's still going. I don't know why always the first run she's like a little bit asleep, but she should be better next. Yay. Okay, create rematch. Oh my gosh, she's still timing out. Did I mess something with my workers? That doesn't make sense. Why would she be timing out more? That's funny. Well, this is going worse. How somehow. How is it going worse? Oh my gosh, she timed out. Okay. Well, let's just go back to the regular stuff. I don't know if it was a thing that I did that messed it, but I don't want to chance it. I need her to be on her best behavior. Because it's the first time that she's gonna battle at 8. So, alright, I think that's all then for this video, live stream. Anyway, so I did that, I updated the readme. This is passing. Yeah, she looks good. I'm pretty comfortable with where I'm at. So, this is cool. This was a nice stream. I didn't change anything about Maxine because she's just perfect as she is. No, she's not. But I am pretty comfortable with the code that she has right now. Can we raid Coding Garden? I love him and we can definitely take some inspiration. I have no idea how to raid. Can you teach me? I'm up for it. Just let me know what to do. Looking forward to complex things on the DataWeave coming weeks. Yeah. Again, you can just watch my previous live streams and the recordings. I have done a lot of weird things there and I have found some bugs. So that's cool. You can just go watch that if you want. If not, next week I'll be here doing the other things that I wanted to do. Sorry that I didn't get to do that today, but yeah. Oh, I see. Raid channel. I'm new to Twitch as well. I thought we just went there. Raid channel. And then you said what? Coding Garden. Coding Garden. Okay. Alright. I don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna click on Start Raid and see what happens. In the meantime, I will leave you with the end scene in case this is all done. So we will figure it out, Jerry. We will figure it out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in whatever happens next. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day ahead. You too, Jerry. Thank you for coming. All right. Bye-bye.